Yo, what's good, ladies and gentlemen? This is your favorite guy, Mr. Brown Guy, and today we are going to do 60 seconds with Brown Guy. This is the video where I'm going to tell you all about the exercises, tips, tricks, and how to execute it well. This might be for you who have never trained before and want to go to the gym but don't know shit about it, or for you who have been going to the gym for quite a while, are beginner, intimate, or advanced at it. That's up to you, but just wants to know some tips and tricks that can take you to the next level. So if you are up for it, this might take 60 seconds or more, but I'm gonna promise you it will be worth it. Let's go get it. Yo, what's good, ladies and gentlemen? This right here is a Smith machine. And the next movement we're going to do for our chest is actually to build that upper chest by doing a incline Smith machine press. Are you up for it? Let's get going. Now, there's a couple of key notes you need to focus on when doing this machine right here. First of all, the incline shouldn't be too inclined. It shouldn't be too steep. You need to get the flat bench first and take it up 1 or 2 notches. Second of all, when pressing, you are not going to press like this, but you're going to lower your elbows a little bit. If you do it up here, it's going to go into your shoulders, first of all. And also, the elbows are not going to take all the weight. So that's going to be bad for your elbows and your shoulders.